Alright guys, so this is video number 2 on the 9 steps to buying a house. We're talking about mortgage loans. So here's a couple of do's. Always use a referred agent. So very similarly to real estate agents, it's important to find someone with the bank called a mortgage lender, a loan officer sometimes as they're referred to, someone who you can trust who's going to help you gain the money to be able to buy the house, okay? This is the person who's gonna basically get you pre-approved for the loan and then walk you through the process of getting the money to buying the house. Always use a trusted company, whether it's a private company like Open Mortgage or a bank. Centennial Bank is a good one here in Arkansas. Always use a trusted company who is familiar with the process of giving out loans. We'll get into that a little bit further. Now let's get into the don'ts. Don't use an online company, all right? So that's number 1 of don'ts on mortgage loans. Don't use an online company. It's important to use a local bank or private mortgage company, and it's important to get familiar with the people that you're working with in the process, okay? Don't fill out online applications or anything like that. It's not typically the best way to go. Number 2, don't assume. I put don't use your personal bank. That's not really the right verbiage. It's don't assume that you have to use your personal bank. So if you're banking with, let's say, Bank of America or Wells Fargo or something like that, don't assume that you have to use those banks to get a mortgage. It's always important to look into the best bank for you to get a mortgage, who has good rates, who has the right person to work with, and everything like that, okay? One more thing I wanted to kind of mention to you guys is how important it is to use somebody for a mortgage, just like it's important to use somebody as a real estate agent that's professional and knows what they're doing, okay? In the buying process, these are the 2 most important people to have on your team. It's your real estate agent and it's your mortgage loan officer, all right? And the better you work with them and the better they work together, the better the deal comes together and the easier it is for you as a buyer to understand the entire process and to get into your new home in a timely manner, knowing exactly what you're doing, what you're buying, and the terms, and knowing that you have the money ready. Thank you guys for watching the video. Take care.